How to transfer money from Capital One to another bank. First, make sure you have the Capital One mobile banking app installed. To do so, open your Play Store or App Store, search for Capital One, tap the Install button, and then open the app once it's installed. After opening the app, enter your username and password, then tap Sign In. Once you're successfully signed in, check your balance to ensure you have enough funds to transfer. If you do, tap the Transfer button on the dashboard. To transfer money to another account, select the account type, such as bank routing or ABA number, and enter the account number. After verifying the account details, select Add Account. Next, enter the transfer details, including the amount, frequency, and transfer date. You can also add a memo if needed. Once everything is set, tap the Transfer button to confirm. With just one tap, you'll transfer the money to another bank account. And if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe.